When I shared this video, a few people requested that I share another video on how to make the bowl, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a bowl for your traditional wedding cake. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel once again. If this is your first time here, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on post notification. Thank you. So for this video, we're going to be using fondant. Of course, you get a bowl of your choice depending on the size of your cake, and then we're going to be using vegetable shortening and a nylon, any nylon of your choice. So the first thing to do is to rub your plates with vegetable shortening so that the nylon you are going to place over it will stick to the plates. Then afterwards, you are going to rub the nylon with another vegetable shortening. So I'm adding the shortening to the nylon because it's going to serve as a glue when I'm going to be placing my fondant on it, and at the same time when I want to remove the bowl, it's going to come off easily because it's serving as a lubricant. Now I'm going to roll out the fondant. I really love working with shortening. You can work with anything you're comfortable with, either corn flour or icing sugar or mixture of the two, but I love working with vegetable shortening. On your fondant you can add more CMC. This is going to make it very firm, and at the same time it's going to make your bowl strong. So in the end, when your bowl is ready, it's not going to be shaking. It's going to be very strong and firm, because you don't want it to be scattering when you place all your fruits and vegetables inside, sugar fruits of course. So now that I've finished kneading it, I'm going to roll it out into my desired size. So you are working with the kind of plate that you want to use to model it now, and that's how big your fondant is going to be, and that's how large or wide you're going to roll out the fondant into. I've gotten my desired size now. I'm going to trim out the edges so that I have a perfect round. It might not be perfect, but as you go along, you're going to see what I'm going to do to the fondant. Now we have a somewhat perfect round, not totally perfect, but I'm going to place it on my bowl, and then I shape it around the bowl, just like that. Now we have uneven sides. I'll be using a knife to trim it just to get a considerable perfect sides. Sometimes I use a knife to give it some incision so that the tip is a bit fine and is different. If you want, you can do this, and if you want, you can leave it out, but I just do it. Most of the time that I do this bowl, I do this. To remove it, I will just turn it upside down, and it's going to come off itself because there's a lubricant, that's the shortening. But note that you have to leave it for some few hours. If you're in a hurry, leave it for some few hours to dry off, or you leave it overnight on your shelf. It's going to dry, and by the time you come the next morning, it's going to be dry. You just remove it gently and it's ready. But I noticed that the sides are not fine. I'm going to use a knife to trim it out. Now the bowl is ready for use for your sugar, vegetables and fruits. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel, pretty please, and give this video a thumbs up. Of course, turn on post notification. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.